Welcome to all. Today we are going to start the lecture series of CSAT paper. First of all, we will cover mathematics portion. In lecture 1, we will discuss about number system. Basically, number system are of 4 types: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. In decimal number system, the base is 10 always. It starts from 0 to 9. And in binary number system, the base is 2. We have only 2 digits, 0 and 1. In octal number system, the base number is 8. It starts from 0 to 7. And in hexadecimal number system, it contains 16 as a base number, out of which 0 to 9, the 10 are the numbers, and A to F, 6 are the alphabets. Here we will just only focus on decimal number system. We all know decimal number system. We all know single digit number starts from 0 to 9, 2 digit number from 10 to 99, 3 digit number from 100 to 999, and so on. Now some basic question arises. I hope you can give the answers very accurately. Greatest 1 digit number, it's 9. Smallest 2 digit number, it's 10. Greatest, or we can say largest 2 digit number is 99, largest 3 digit number 999, and so on. In numeral system, we have 2 types of numeral system: Indian numeral system and international numeral system. We start from right and move towards the left. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. We can see that we start from ones and moving towards the higher units, ones, then tens, then 100. In every step, 1 0 is adding on. 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, and so on. In international numeral system, we start from ones, tens, 100, just like Indian system. Then there is a 1000 series, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then there is a series of million, 10 million, 100 million, and so on. You can see 100,000 is equals to 1 lakh. Just see here, 100,000 contains 5 zeros. Now if you read in an Indian form, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, we can read as 1 lakh. 1 lakh in Indian system, 100,000 in international system. Similarly, 10 lakh contains 10 lakh in Indian is equals to 1 million in international, which contains 6 zeros. 10 million equals to 1 crore. 100 million is equals to 10 crores. So this is the comparison between Indian as well as international numeral system. In international numeral system, first comma we will write after 100, first ones, then tens, then 100, just put a comma, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then put a comma, million, 10 million, 100 million, then put a comma. But in Indian case, ones, tens, 100, put a comma, then 1000, 10,000, then put a comma, lakh, 10 lakh, then comma. So this is the difference between Indian as well as international numeral system. Now there are 2 most important concepts: face value and place value. Most of the time students get confused what is the difference between them. Face value of the digit is the digit itself, but place value of a digit is determined by the position of the digit in a number. You can see the example here. 5962 is written. If I talk about the digit 9, the place value shows the position. 9 is at position of 100. 2 is at position of ones, then 6 at tens, 9 is at 100, 5 is at 1000. And face value of 9 is 9 itself. Another example, 68,002. Here 2 ones position, 8 2 zeros are at tens and 100 position, 8 is at position of 1000, 6 is at position of 60,000, which means 10,000. So the place value of 6 is 10,000, that is 60,000. Face value of 6 is 6 itself. So again I am repeating, face value means the number itself, place value means the position of the digit in a number. Next, we have an exercise. Expand form. We are solving here two types of expansion. Type 1, a number 2376 is written. In junior classes, we all are doing in such a way. 6 is at position of 1, 7 is at tens, 3 is at 100 and 2 at 1000 position. So 2 multiplied by 1000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 7 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 1. But the question comes in CSAT paper is like that, 739A. We all know A is at position of ones. So we are solving in such a way, 7000 plus 300 plus 90 plus A. Now solving the like terms together, we get 7390 plus A. Another question you can see, 84B32 is written. B is at position of 100. So we can say 84,000 plus B is times of 100 plus 30 plus 2. When you solve the like terms together, you will get 84,032 plus 100 times of B. Now I have a PYQ for you, 73AA. The 2A is at position of tens and 100. So 7000 plus 300 plus 10A plus A. Now solving the like terms together, we will get 7300 plus 11A. So this is a PYQ. Now I hope you get a idea which type of question comes here. Now these two questions as a practice you can do and comment the answers. Type 2, repeating digits we have xy, xy. Now you can see xy is at 100 position plus xy we can write. Now taking xy common, we will get 100 plus 1, which is 101 times of xy. Same kind, 42 is repeating. Digits are repeating. So 42 is at 100 position plus 42. Taking 42 common, we will get 42 multiplied by 101. Now here 3 digits are repeating. ABC, ABC, which means ABC multiplied by 1000 plus ABC. It would be 1001 times of ABC. Here also 3 digits are repeating 3 times, 234, 234, 234. You just see the first pair of 234, after which there are 6 zeros we have to add. In second one we have to add 3 zeros after on. And in third one is we are considering it at ones position. So you will get the answer as 234 times of 1001001. So these two questions of type 2 you have to do as a practice and comment the answer in the comment box.